of this interview playlist. How do you generate script for a particular table? Here is a complete step-by-step answer to this important interview question. I made this video very simple, straight and to the point. Please don't forget to like this video and support me. Let's get started. How to generate script for a table? Here the assumption is scripting the table for its structure without any data. That's the assumption. For example, assume you have, I'll just take you back to my SSMS. Assume you have a customer data table. You would like to know the script for this table. Or you take any database of your choice and any table of your choice. Let's see. For example, left side you have product database and customer data. You would like to get the script. Right click, script, create, new query window. This gives you the script of the database. So script of the table, that particular table. What is that again? Right click. Let's wait. It's generating the script. Remember, without data. Okay. This is a flavor without data. So you'll see here, create table, table name. You see the script with identity property, primary key, if any check constraint, default, foreign key, everything will be included. Okay, this is a script with all the columns and the data types and constraints. Remember, this is an option for scripting a table without any data.